Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Calapure lotion. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Mankind Pharma Ltd. Calapure lotion. Uses. Calapure lotion is used to soothe and protect irritated or inflamed skin. It helps relieve itching, redness, dryness, and inflammation caused by skin conditions like sunburn, insect bites, rashes including eczema, and chapped skin. Benefits. Calapure lotion offers multiple skin benefits. It contains aloe vera gel, which soothes and calms irritated skin. The light liquid paraffin provides deep moisturization and helps lock in hydration to prevent dryness. The calamine component cools the skin, relieves sunburn discomfort, and helps reduce itching caused by insect bites, rashes, or allergies. It is also useful in managing eczema symptoms by moisturizing and healing inflamed skin. Side effects. Calapure lotion is generally safe for most people, but in some cases it may cause mild skin dryness, irritation, redness, or itching, especially if used excessively or if you're sensitive to ingredients like calamine. If irritation persists, stop using it and consult your doctor. How to use. Shake the bottle well before use. Apply Calapure lotion gently to the affected skin area. Avoid contact with the eyes and mucous membranes. Use it exactly as directed by your doctor or as needed for skin irritation. How it works. Calapure lotion works as an antipyretic and skin smoothing agent. Its ingredients, aloe vera, light liquid paraffin, and calamine, work together to soothe, moisturize, and soften the skin. Aloe vera hydrates and softens the skin. Calamine forms a protective layer that allows new tissue to heal. Light liquid paraffin locks in moisture and prevents dryness. This combination makes it ideal for dry, inflamed, damaged, or chapped skin.